She destroyed it, I think. Bilisan mo.
Teka lang, sis.
Daan. So this is the garage. And this is the patio.
Hi, Chenchi! Hi, Inigo! This is the receiving area. And that is the kitchen. The dining. This is the CR. Common. And this is the lanai. Beautiful lanai. The storage room. And this is the dirty area, laundry area, ang chauvinist ever. And this is the lanai. Saan mo yung pinto doon? Doon, sa kabila. Okay. This is the kitchen. Oh my God. Yay! Fish!
Saan ka?
Dito, sa butas. This is Ate Angie's room.
Sa taas mo.
May pa. Hi! Sa kitchen. Baby.
May electrician din po kayo? May electrician po
Excuse
kayo?
me.
Tsaka plumber. Meron.
Sis. Akit.
Second floor, ma'am.
Tsaka puwet na. You destroyed it, I think. Maybe hold my bag, please.
Okay, let's start with the common area where we can put the old TV.
From Tadeus.
Come on, come on. This is another lanai where we can smoke, joke only.
Oh, sige.
And then this is the toilet. This is the bathroom.
Excuse me. Of the boys.
The boys. This is Inyaki's room. Inyaki. And then Xavier's room. And then our room here. This is our bathroom, Mama. This is the shower area. This is the toilet, the sink, and the bathtub.
It's a shot.
And then Mama here, come here. This door, come. This door leads to the terrace.
Wow.
Hi!
Bye! Yaki, sino yung nasa likod mo?
Tigilan niya, Ariel. Nag-video ako.
Hala, talaga may target meron. Hala, talaga.
Inyaki, sige, sige.
Gusto to.
Do you like it? Come on, because the hand
Alam mo anong gumagana kay mami pagka napanood niya to? Naku, maganda yun dito. Maganda dyan sa ano, anak, yung ano.
Abi, bababa na kami.
Let's go. Sarado mo kaya yung mga doors?
Sasunod lang kami ng doors. Ano, baby? Halika na, sis.
Yung isa raw maiwan na.
Balik na lang po namin yung original.